Who's on the front?
Hold here, guys. Hold here. Come south now. Come south now. Yo, south now. Catch one. Catch one. Catch one. Come south. Come south. Come south.
Ito.
Yo, ready to kill this guy. Wait. 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 Okay, come near to us, guys. Come near to us. Come near to us. Stop dropping random E's, my healers. You just need Q's and W's. They're not fully brawling yet.
Nag-mount up sila, Kate. Wait.
Come northeast.
Janice, huwag ka muna dyan, gago. Uy, Janice, baka ma-engage dyan ka. Baka muna. Huwag ka muna pasak dyan.
Janice, ano tayo Janice? Clap tayo, hindi tayo full brawl. Ba't ka nandyan? Guys, follow me. I'm on the ping, guys. Please.
Mounted up sila, King.
Mounted up.
Come northeast here. Come northeast here.
Baka naka-dismount yung bugolag nila.
It's mounted yung iba on the ping.
Ayaw nila mag-apply ng ano.
Just hold here. Ilan DA sila?
Level ano na?
Seven.
Level
7 ah.
Come south.
Dismounted sila. Neko.
Ang catch ko.
Still dismounted on the ping.
Catch ko, okay?
Come east. Come east. Come east. Wait lang. Layo ka DPS. DPS, step up. DPS, you need to follow the crown. If I'm gonna do fast engages, you cannot hit with me. Stay with the crown, DPS, please.
Naka-hold lang sila
Come
sa
east.
southeast.
Come east. Come east. Come east. Come east. Come east.
Dismounted, one screen away east side.
Okay. We're going east, guys.
Don't stop.
Nagmamount up na uli. May mga naiwan na
Kamas
naka-smoke pa.
now. Kamas now. Kamas now. Kamas now.
Gala will stack. Northeast side.
Come west.
Gala
Come near to
is.
us. Come near to us, guys. Come near to us. Come near to us.
Brawlers
Yo,
dismounted
look,
behind
look,
you, west side.
look this down the side of us. Guys, look east on me. East on my count. 5, 4, 3. Wait. 2, 1. Inside of us. Inside of us. Inside of us. Inside of us. Hit everything inside of us and come near to us. 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 Help each other. Come near to us, guys. Help each other. Come near to us. Help each other. Come near to us. You have a lot of
Gala
kitangs.
magbiblink na.
The healers. The healers. The healers.
Ayun na.
The healers, have the healers, keep going west, 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 keep going west. Guys, look east on my count, east on my count, east on my count, east on my count, east on my count. 5, 4,
Stun go to
3, 2,
ulit.
1, east on my count, east on my count, east on my count, east on my count. Hit this. And come west, brawl west.
Binobrawl yung mga sa west mo. Full brawl naman sa southwest at west mo.
Brawl west, help each other, brawl west. Come north to us, regear fast, come north to us. Wala na akong healer sa party ko. Come north to us.
One healer left.
RB up in 5, RB up in 5.
Guys, east side. Walk east now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East now. Hit east. Drop all E. Brawl again. So, wala tayong healer. Namatay lahat ng healer ko. Come north. Putang inang healer. Wala nang healer.
RB up in 5, RB up in 5. RB up.
This guys, brawl inside here, okay? Come northeast, this guy, Q's and W's. Wala nang healer, puki ng ina. 8 healer tayo, namatay agad. Run. Yo, we're still level 7 but we don't have any healer. What the fuck are you doing, healer?
Dance may ika, dance. Thank you.
Ubus pa din healer dito sa ano, party to. Oh my god.
Healers, you have a lot of defensives there. And my D-tanks, I already told you to help the healers. What the fuck are you guys doing?
Mazan ka.